Hi everyone, this is Divyashri, and we had already done over subscription and under subscription of shares. Let's do 12 marker problem for your examination, which is with respect to issue of shares and forfeiture. Once forfeiture is done, it shall be reissued. All the three things in one single sum. Suppose A Limited issued 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Application 3 rupees. Allotment 4 rupees. 5 rupees. Wait. And call money, it is 2 rupees. All the shares were subscribed, but Mr. Y, who is holding 1000 shares, did not pay call money. Since he is not paid, the company forfeited the shares and reissued at 8 rupees each. Pass the journal entries. So first, the same journal format, date, particulars, LF and debit and credit. This is in rupees. This total is together amount. First, with respect to application, allotment and call money. Application is 3, allotment is 5, call money is 2. First stage is application. So once you are issuing, you tend to get money. So bank account debit to share application account. Here the amount will be, the number of shares issued is 10,000. Application money is 3 into 3, 30,000. Being application money received on 10,000 shares of rupees, 10 each, out of which application is 3 rupees. You shall write the narration. Next, share application has to be transferred to share capital. So share application account debit to share capital. Share capital liability, credit, increase. So it has been credited. The same amount has been transferred, 30,000, 30,000. This will be transferred. Being share application money transferred to share capital account. The narration shall be. Next, we shall see allotment stage. So, complete application stage is done. First, you will receive when you're issuing the application and you will be transferring it to share capital account. Next, journal entry will be allotment stage. Allotment stage, first it shall be the due entry. So, due entry will be share allotment account debit. Please use full forms. Share allotment account debit to share capital. Being allotment money due on 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each. So 10,000 into 5, 50,000. Next, when it is due, next you will receive. So when you're receiving, bank account debit to share allotment account. It shall be the same amount. If there is any premium or discount, accordingly you shall write here. Share premium shall be credited because it is an income. Discount will be debited because it is an expense. I hope that you There is no. So the narration will be being share allotment money received on 10,000 shares. Due received. Next, we shall say call money. Allotment stage is completely done. Next, call money. Call money is again due entry. So share call money account debit to share capital. Being call money due on 10,000 shares of rupees to each. This is due entry. Calculation 10,000 into 2 shall be 20,000. Next, you're receiving. But when you're receiving, there will be this is fifth journal entry, sixth journal entry. When you're receiving, Y Limited did not pay call money. So bank account 10,000 minus 1,000 into call money rupees is 2. So 9,000 into 2. 9,000 into 2 is 18,000. Bank account debit to share call money. Share call money will be 18,000. Next, call money is also done. So issue of shares completely with all the stages we have completed. Next, we have forfeiture and reissued. We shall see the next journal entries. Next, 3 standard journal entries for forfeiture and reissued. Forfeiture is 1,000 shares. From forfeiture, the entries will be starting from unpaid shares. Unpaid call money ka shares. So, 1,000 shares. From here, it will not be 10,000, it will be 1,000 shares. Only for non-payment. We are cancelling the rights. The forfeiture is cancelling the rights of the shares for non-payment of call money or allotment money. Next, what is the share? Now we have to reduce share capital. So share capital reduce means it has to be debited. Liability debit increase, decrease. So share capital account debit to forfeiture account to share which stage is not paid? Call money. To share call money. Amount shall be starting from 1,000. Number of value of the share is 10 rupees. It shall be 1 lakh. Forfeiture is paid up. What is paid? 1,000 into 3 application they have paid, 5 allotment is paid. So 5 plus 3, 8 into 8. So it is 8,000. It is 10,000, not 1 lakh. It is 10,000. Next, call money. What is unpaid? 1,000 into 2. Call money they have not paid. So this will be 2,000. And narration, you shall write share being 1,000 shares forfeited for non-payment of call money of rupees 2 each on 1,000 shares. Next journal entry. This is 7th journal entry, 8th journal entry. Forfeiture entry is done. Next is reissued. You are reissuing it at 8. So you are receiving money when you are reissuing. So bank account debit, forfeiture account. Why bank account debit and forfeiture? Why am I debiting? First, 1,000 they reissuing at 8 rupees. Then you have 10 rupees is the value of share. 8 rupees only you are reissued. So balance you will be transferring it to forfeiture account. So 1,000 into forfeiture account debit. 10 is the value of share. 8 rupees is reissued value. 2 rupees is forfeiture value. To share capital. Why am I crediting share capital? Because reissued and you're receiving money. So I'm transferring it to share capital. Here it shall be 8,000, 2,000 and 10,000. Next, there is forfeiture here. There is forfeiture here. This is A and this is B. Any excess that shall be transferred to capital reserve. Forfeiture here is 8,000, which you received, which you will not receive, which is issued at a discount, is 2,000. So, difference between A and B will be transferred to capital account, capital reserve account. So, forfeiture account debit to capital reserve. Any excess in forfeiture that is paid versus discount will be transferred to capital reserve. It shall be 8,000 minus 2,000. That shall be 6,000. Here the sum gets over. Doing this, you will get 12 marks in exam. Complete 12 marks, but with narrations, with calculations, you shall write the journal entries. Thank you and all the best.